Okay, children. So today we will discuss about the spheres. So and hemispheres. Yesterday also we were discussing the same topic. So spheres, CSA. What is the formula? Anyone? CS, hemispheres, CSA. Anyone? 2 pi r square.
2 pi r square,
TSA is what, children?
3 pi r square,
Volume is what, children?
2
2
by
by
3
3
pi r,
pi r
pi r
cube.
cube,
3 pi r cube. Sphere, CSA, children. CSA and
4
TSA.
pi r square,
4 pi r square.
Both are same. And volume of spheres,
4
children?
by 3 pi r cube.
4 by 3 pi r cube. Very good. So children, these are the CSS and ESS of spheres. First question. Sujit, are you there? Sujit? Sujit, are you there? Radio
Sir,
3 point. Mute your audio. Sujit, I will ask you. Okay. So 10.5 centimeters. Third one is 10.5 centimeters. Fourth question is diameter is 14 centimeters. These are radius, children. And fifth question is diameter is 3.5 dm. Someone please keep calculator ready, children, for me, please. Diameter is 2.1 meter. Okay. Now, Sujit, in all these cases, find volume or sphere. Sujit, in all these cases, find volume. Sujit,
uh,
volume.
volume is equal to 4 pi 4 by 3 pi r cube. V is
Okay.
equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 2 into 2 into 2.
Okay. So, 4 to the 8 into the 16, 16 to the 32, 22 into 32 by 21. Can anyone help me? What is the answer? CMQ. Sujit, this one.
Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume is equal to 4 by 3 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5.
So 3.5 2s are 7, 2 2s are 4. So 2 into 22 is 44.
Sir, 22 into 32 is equal to 704, sir.
I want full answer. 704 by 21.
33.52, sir.
33.52 centimeter cube. Can anyone help me this one? 44 into 12.25 by 3. Can anyone?
Sir, 179.6.
179.6 centimeter cube. Okay, children. So this is okay. Next, third question. Okay, Sujit, tell me third question. Volume.
Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r.
Volume of what, children? Volume of what, Sujit? You're telling? Volume of what? Volume of
Sphere.
sphere. Sphere means ball. Okay, tell me. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Tell.
Volume is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5 into 10.
10.5 into 10.5. Now, can you tell me here? Here, volume is equal to?
Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14.
Hey, diameter is 14. Radius is how much?
Radius
7 into?
7 into 7.
Half of the diameter is radius. Tell me this one. What is the volume?
4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5.
Yes, tell me here. Hey, 3.5 by 2, eh? 3.5 by 2, 3.5 by 2, because diameter is 3.5, radius is half. Tell me here.
Volume is equal to
Volume is equal to?
Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 2.1 by 2.
By 2, because diameter is 2.5, radius is by 2. So children, you can solve this. These are very easy sums. That's why I ask Sujit. Sujit will get a little bit confusion. That's why I asked him. Okay, so next one. Now I'll be asking one by one. All of you get ready, children. So this is very easy, direct substitution. Nothing serious in this. Very easy. This is okay. Next question. Okay. Second question. Vedant. Second question. A hemispherical tank. A hemispherical tank is there like this. A hemispherical tank is there. Radius is 2.8 centimeter. Radius is 2.8 centimeter. Find the capacity. Volume only, but you want in liters. First we'll find cc, then we'll convert it to liters. Tell me volume.
The volume of an hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube
Okay.
is equal to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 2.8 into 2.8.
Okay.
7 into 2.8. 7 and 2.8 cancel, 0.4 will come.
Okay. So 2
And
by
2 into
3 into
2 by 3 into 8.8 into 2.8 into 2.8.
this is in CC. How to convert CC to liters?
Divide by
By
1000.
1000.
By 1000. Very good. CC to liters is by 1000. CC to liters is by 1000. Very good, Neha. CC to liters is by 1000. So if you do by 1000, can anyone help me? What is the answer? So children, this is CC. If you want to convert CC to liters, you should do by 1000. So answer is how much? 45395 liters. 45395 liters. You will get answer in CC. CC to liters divided by 1000. CC to liters divided by 1000. Pravalika, are you there? Okay, Nandika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So hemispherical bowl is there. It is 0.25 centimeter thick. Okay, the inner radius is 5 centimeters. Inner radius is 5 centimeters. Question is, find the volume of steel used in making the bowl. Volume of steel used in making the bowl. Volume of steel. Yeah, Nanika, tell. Volume of steel. How will you find out?
Volume of steel is equal to 2 by 3 pi r square.
Anna,
Sorry, 2 by 3 pi r cube.
1 second. Anna, when thickness is given, this is a hollow one. This
Yes.
is a hollow one. What is the volume of hollow hemisphere formula? Hollow hemisphere means volume of outer hemisphere minus volume of
Inner hemisphere.
outer hemisphere minus volume of inner hemisphere. Here you will have steel.
Yes, sir.
2 by 3 pi
2 by 3 pi r
cube
cube
minus
minus 2 by 3 pi small r cube.
2 by
2
3
by
pi.
3 into by pi r cube minus r cube.
Okay, how much is that? 2 by 3
Into 22 by 7 into
bigger is how much?
5.25.
Very good.
5.25.
5.25 cube.
5.25 whole cube minus 5 cube.
That's it. So outer radius is 5.25 children. Inner radius is only 5. Outer radius is 5.25. Inner is only 5 children. So 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 5.25 cube minus 5 cube. 5 cube is 125. Can anyone help me out? 5.25 cube, how much children? So answer is turning out to be. You have to use because in exam 1-2 questions will come. You can
Sir,
easily-
5.25 cube is 144.70.
144.70. Correct, huh? Maybe. Okay, so answer is 41.28 cc. If someone asks you in liters, divide with 1000. Next question. Next one. Raghuram, are you there?
Yes, sir.
How many bullets can be made out of a cube? There is a cube. There is a cube. How many bullets can be made out of a cube? Bullets means spherical shape. Bullets means spherical shape, measuring 22 centimeters. This is 22 centimeters, and bullets is 2 centimeter in diameter. Diameter is 2 centimeter. Do you know how to do this stuff? We are converting
Volume.
Yeah, volume of cube is converted
Volume
into
of cube is equals to volume of sphere.
n times volume of spheres.
Volume of sphere.
Volume of cube is converted into n number of bullets. Volume of cube is converted into n number of bullets. Volume of cube is converted into n number of bullets. Volume of cube formula?
L cube is equals to n into 4 by 3 pi r cube. 22 cube is equals to n into 4 by 22 n into 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 2 by 1 into 1 into 1.
Because radius is 1. Now 122, 122.
1.
Cancel. 2s are 11s are.
11s.
2s are 11s are.
11s.
121 is equal to
121 is equals to n by 21.
n is equal to
N is equals to 121 into 21.
21 on the 21, 21 is a 42, 44, 21 on the 21, 2, 5, 4, 1 bullets can be made. So children, how many bullets can be made from this cube? 2541 bullets can be made from that cube. 2540. If this cube is melted and if converted into bullets, how many bullets we can make? 2541. 2541 bullets can be made. Rishikesh, are you there? Rishikesh is there? Oh my God. Okay, next Harsha.
Sir, yes, sir,
Rishikesh. Shopkeeper is there. Question is, a shopkeeper is there. A shopkeeper has one ladder. Laddu. A shopkeeper has one laddu of radius 5 centimeters. Shopkeeper has one laddu. Okay, with some material. How many laddus of, see this laddu, he is converting into small laddus. With this laddu, he is converting into small laddus of radius 2.5 centimeter. Of radius 2.5 centimeters. From this big laddu, how many small laddus he can make? Volume of big laddu is equal to n into volume of small laddus. Volume of big sphere is equal to n into volume of
to volume of
small sphere. Volume of big sphere formula?
volume of big sphere is equals to 4 by 3 pi r.
Big R cube. What is volume of small sphere?
4 by 3 pi small r.
4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi, cancel.
Is
Big R is how much? 5 into 5 into 5. Small r is how much?
4
2.5 into 2.5 into 2.5. Okay, na? So 2.5.
cancelled no, sir.
No.
4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancelled no.
Yes, I'm sorry. Thank you, Nanda, for telling. 2.5 twos 2.5 twos. So n is equal to 8 laddus can be made. Children, from this big laddu, he made 8 small laddus. This is 5 centimeters, this is 2.5 centimeters radius. From big laddu, he made 8 small laddus. Children. From big laddu, he made 8 small laddus. This is how questions will come. Okay, next. Okay, children, Harsha. Harsha, will you help?
Sir.
A spherical ball of 3 centimeters diameter. A spherical ball is there, 3 centimeters diameter. Spherical ball means sphere of 3 centimeters in diameter is melted and made into 3 small balls. Is melted and made into 3 small balls of diameter. Diameter of 2 balls is, the diameter of this ball is 3 by 2. The diameter of this ball is 2. What is the diameter of this ball? This is the question. So, Harsha, volume of big ball is equal
Volume
to
of big ball is equal to volume of small balls.
first ball plus volume of second ball plus volume of third ball. This ball is melted and made into 3 balls. What is the volume of big ball formula?
Sir, 2 pi r, 4 by 3 pi r
r
cubes.
cube. What is the volume of first ball?
So volume is 4 by 3 pi r cubes.
R1 cube. What is the volume
R1
of
cube.
second cube?
4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 r
What is the volume of third cube?
pi r 3 cube.
Pi r3 cube. So 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi, cancel. Now what is the radius here? Radius is here
That 1.5 centimeter.
3 by 2 whole cube. What is the radius here? We don't know.
4
What is the radius here?
3 by 2 whole cube, sir.
3 by 4. 3 by 2 is diameter. 3 by 4 is the
Okay,
radius.
3 by 4 whole cube.
Plus what is the radius here? 2 by 2
2
is
2 by 2 whole cube.
1 cube.
Okay, 1.
How much is that? 27 by 8.
27 by 9, sir. Okay, 8.
8, no? 27 by 8. And here 27 by
27 by 64
plus
plus 1.
This you take this side. Now what happens? R cube is equal to 27 by 8 minus 27 by 64 minus 1. How much? 8
Plus
is
8
the
into 8, sir, 64. Sir.
what?
64, sir, also.
64, no LCM. Yeah, thank you, Nana. Thank you for telling. Very good. 8 is 64.
8 is 64, 1 into 64.
Okay, 27 minus 64.
60.
216 minus how much, Nana? 91. 91 by 64.
64. Sir.
How much is that? How much is that? Yeah, 216.
125 by 64.
Thank you,
R
Meghna.
cube is equal to 125.
125 by 64.
R is equal to cube root of 125 by 64. R is
5
equal
cube
to
by 4 cube. Cube on. Radius is 5 by 4 centimeters. Radius is 1.25 centimeters. Diameter is 2.5 centimeters because double of radius is diameter. Thank you, Nana. You told very nicely. Next, Meghna, 7th sum.
Yes, sir.
A sphere of radius 5 centimeters. There is a sphere of radius 5 centimeters. What they made means they immersed in water full of cylinder. In cylindrical water, this is water is there. In this water, they immersed this. When they immerse this, some water will rise, no? Okay, and the level of water rises by 5 by 3 centimeters. The height it rises is 5 by 3 centimeters. What is the radius of the cylinder? This is the question. Yeah, Megan. Volume of sphere is equal to
It's equal to volume of
cylinder.
cylinder.
What cylinder? Only raised part of the cylinder. Only raised part of the cylinder, not full.
Yes, sir.
Volume of sphere formula.
4 by 3 pi r cube
Volume of
equal
cylinder
to
raised
pi r square h.
pi r square h. Pi cancel.
Cancel. 4 by 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to r square into 5 by 3.
3
Cancel.
5
Cancel.
4 can be written as
2 square into 5 square
is
is equal to r square.
So radius
Will
is
cancel 10 centimeters.
10 centimeters is radius of the cylinder. Very good. Next, Hansika, are you there? Hansika? Yeah. Hansika is not there. Next, Tanmay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Tanmay. See, question is very easy. Question goes like this, Tanmay. Question goes like this. See, radius of sphere is double. Originally it is r. Now it is becoming 2r. What is the ratio of volume of first sphere to second sphere? Volume of first sphere to second sphere. Tanmay, very easy, sir. Tell them. Volume of first sphere by volume of second sphere. Tell.
Volume of sphere equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube.
R1 cube by
R1 cube by 4 by 3 pi r2 cube.
this one,
Cancel. V1 by V2 equals to
R cube,
r cube by 2r.
2r whole cube.
2r whole cube.
So V1 by V2 is
V1 by
equal to,
V2 equals to r cube by 8 r cube.
so V1
R
by
cube
V2
r
is,
cube cancel. V1 by V2 equals to 1 by 8. V1 is 2, V2 equals to 1 is to 8.
very good. Lahari, are you there?
Yes, sir.
11th question. A vessel is in the form of hemispherical bowl. A vessel is in the form of hemispherical bowl full of water. Full of water is there. Okay. The contents are emptied into a cylinder. Whatever water is there, they kept everything in the cylinder. The internal radius of the bowl and cylinder are, here the radius is 3.5 centimeter. Here the radius is 7 centimeter. Okay. Once you put all the water in this, what will be the rise in the height of water in this? Lahari, if you put water here, how much water will rise?
Volume of hemisphere equals volume of trace
Cylinder. Yeah. Volume of hemisphere.
2 by 3 pi r cube is
Volume
equal
of cylinder.
to pi r square head.
Pi.
Cancel.
2 by 3 is into 3.5
3.5
into
into 3.5 into 3.5.
is equal to 7 into
7 into
7 into h.
h.
3.5 2s are 7. 3.5 2s are 7. 2 cancel. This 2 you bring down. So what is answer? 3.5 by 3 2s are 6. So 35 by 60. 5 7s are 5 12s are 7 by 12. 7 by 12 centimeters is rise in the height of volume of cylinder. Very good. Next. Nandika, are you there? Nandika?
Yes, sir.
A cylinder
Yes.
is there. A cylinder is there whose height is. A cylinder is there whose height is 2/3 of its diameter. 2/3 of its diameter. Okay. Has the same volume as a sphere. This and sphere has same volume. Volume of this cylinder and volume of this sphere is same. And here the radius of sphere is 4 centimeters. Question is, find the radius of cylinder. Find the radius of cylinder. Volume of cylinder and sphere are same. What is the volume of cylinder?
Volume of cylinder pi r square h is
Volume of
equal to
sphere?
4 by 3 pi r cube.
Okay, pi.
Pi cancel.
Radius is how much?
R.
R into
R into h. 2 by 3 diameter. 2 by 2.
diameter means what we can write? Diameter means what we can
Radius by 2.
2r.
2r.
4 by
Is
3
equal to 4
into
by 3 into r. 4 into 4 into 4.
no, 3.
3 cancel.
2 to the 4. R into R into R?
R cube is equal to
4
64 cube. R is equal to 4.
4 centimeters is the
4
radius
centimeters.
of this cylinder. Next, Srihita, are you there? Srihita? No, no, tell. A vessel is in the form of hemispherical bowl full of water. Here, full of water is there. Hemisphere has full of water. Okay, it is emptied into cylinder. Same like this. It is emptied into cylinder. It is emptied into cylinder. Okay, the internal radius of the bowl and cylinder are 6 and 4. Here the radius is 6. Here the radius is 4. Question is, find the radius of water. Same question. Find the radius of water. Tell me now. Same question.
Volume of hemisphere is equals to volume of cylinder.
Okay.
2 by 3 pi r square cube is equals to 2 pi r square h.
Pi cancel.
Pi cancel. 2 by 3 into 6 into 6 into 6. 4 into 4 into h.
2 twos are 2 threes are. 2 twos are 2 threes are. 2 cancel. 2 threes are 3 cancel. 3 threes are 9. 9 centimeters is raising water level in the cylinder. Okay, next. Vivek, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is the question? What is the question? The diameter of sphere is 18 centimeters. The diameter of the sphere is 18 centimeters. 18 centimeters. Okay. The sphere is melted and drawn into a long wire. The sphere is melted and drawn into a wire. Wire means what, right? What is the shape?
Cylinder, sir.
Very good. The length of the wire is 108 meters. The length of the wire is 108 meters, and this is centimeters. Question is, find the diameter of the wire. Find the diameter. Diameter means radius. We should find, then we will find the diameter.
Yes.
So sphere is melted and made into cylinder. What you will do?
Yes, sir. Volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder.
Okay. Then the
Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube.
equal to
Volume pi r square h, sir.
pi
Cancel 4 by 3 into
4 by 3
into 9 into 9 into 9.
9 into 9 into 9
Into 9
equal to
is equal to
r square into
108 into 108, sir.
108 is 100. 108 is meters. Centimeters
Yes, sir.
means 200.
Yes, sir.
This 108 100 will go down.
Yes, sir. 108 4 by 3.
White will go up.
Okay.
Okay. So r square is equal to
Square is equal to 4 into 9 into 9 into 9 by 3 into 10800.
okay. 3 threes are
3.
4 twos are 4 sevens are 9 threes are 3
Nine.
3 cancel.
Yes,
R
sir.
square is equal to 9 we can
Nine.
write as
3 square, sir. 10 square.
square
R is equal to
square.
3 by 10, 0.3.
0.3 means diameter is how much?
0.6
Centimeters.
centimeters.
E is the diameter of this wire.
Yes, sir.
Diameter of this wire is 0.6 centimeters. Like that you have to do it. Okay, I hope you are all enjoying the sums, children. Very, very nice sums there. Okay, they will also continue in 10th class as it is. They will continue, children. In 10th class also, you will get like this sums. If you prepare well in 9th class only, one lesson you will be perfect, children, in 10th class. Okay, next one. Next, Vikram is there. Vikram. Diameter of sphere is 6 centimeters. Vikram is not there. Neeraj.
Sir.
Who is there?
Yes, sir.
It is
Sir, I'm
melted
Neeraj,
and
sir.
drawn into wire of. See the diameter of same question. It is melted and made into diameter 0.2 centimeters. What is the length of this wire? Same question, but here length is given, here diameter is given. Same
Yes,
question.
sir. Yes, sir.
Come on. What is our question?
Sir, volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder.
Volume of sphere is equal to volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder.
4 by 3 pi r square is equal to
Okay.
pi r square h.
Pi cancel.
Pi cancel. 4 by 3 pi r cube. 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to r square. So 0.2 by 2 into 0.2 by 2 into 0.2 by 2.
Hey, chup. R square only, not it? If
Yes,
you
sir.
remove point 0, if you remove point 0,
0.
2 tenza, 2 tenza,
Tensor.
3 3 cancel. So 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. 36 into 100 is
3600
centimeters.
centimeters
Centimeters to meters?
divided by 100. 1000, sorry.
No, by 100 only. 36 meters length of the wire is made. Be confident, Nana, be confident. Next, Rugved is there. Rugved, can you tell? Shenmukh, can you tell? Okay, Hansika, can you tell? Hansika? No. Saisha, can you tell?
Yes, sir.
The radius of internal and external surface of spherical shell. Nana, a shell is there. Hollow sphere, it means. Internal radius is 3 nana. External radius is 5 nana. So it is melted and made into cylinder. No, disturbance. Don't move here and there. Just sit quiet. The height of the cylinder is 2 by 3 centimeter. Find the radius. Sphere is melted and made into cylinder. Sphere is melted and made into cylinder. How you will do, Nana? Saisha?
Volume of sphere is equals to volume of cylinder.
Hollow sphere is equal to
Hollow sphere. Volume of cylinder.
Very good. What is the formula of sphere?
2 by
3 pi.
4 by 3 pi.
Hollow means big R cube minus small r. Hollow means 4 by 3 pi, big R cube minus small r cube. Can you repeat the formula? Can you repeat the formula, Nana?
4 by 3 pi r 4 by 3 into big R cube minus small r cube. Hollow. 5 pi cancel. 4 by 3 into 5 cube in minus 3 cube is equals to r square into 2.
8 by 3.
8 by
3 cancel. 8 will go down. 4 by 8 into 125 minus
125 minus 27 is equal to
r square. 4 by r square is equal to 1 by 2. 4 by 8 is 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Into 98. How much, Nana? 98 by 2?
4.
So radius is 7 centimeters. Radius is 7 centimeters. Okay, sure. Okay, next. Advika, are you there? Advika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
A hemisphere length of radius 7 centimeters and a hemisphere is there. See, hemisphere is there. The radius is 7 centimeters. Hemisphere radius is 7 centimeters. Is cut into 2 right circular cones. See, this is converted into cone. This is converted into cone. I will help you, don't worry. Of a height 49 centimeters. The height of the cone is 49 centimeters. Question is, what is the radius of the cone? What is the radius of the cone? Okay. So the hemispherical this thing is converted into cones. What you will do, Nana? Just tell me what you will do. I will tell the formulas.
Sir, what is the height of the cone, sir?
49. Advika, tell Nana. Volume of?
So volume of sphere is equal to volume of cone.
Volume of cone. Volume of hemisphere, how much, Anna? Volume of hemisphere is how much?